Today I am reviewing the DARIO Smart Glucose Monitor Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The DARIO Smart Glucose Monitor Kit is a compact, modern solution designed to make blood sugar monitoring more convenient, faster, and more connected to your daily life. For anyone managing diabetes or regularly tracking glucose levels, this device is built to simplify what can often feel like a repetitive and time-sensitive routine. From portability to smartphone integration, it brings traditional glucose testing into a more digital and accessible format. Right from the start, the most noticeable advantage of the DARIO Smart Glucose Monitor Kit is its ultra-portable design. Unlike older glucose meters that often come in bulky cases with separate displays, this device is small enough to fit directly into your pocket. That makes a huge difference for people who need to test their blood sugar levels multiple times a day, especially when they are at work, traveling, or simply out running errands. Instead of carrying a full medical kit, everything is streamlined into a lightweight, all-in-one system. One of the key highlights of this device is its direct integration with iPhones using the Lightning adapter. This allows the glucometer to connect directly to compatible iPhones, instantly turning your phone into the control center for your health tracking. Instead of manually logging readings or carrying a separate digital display, results are shown directly on your phone through the DARIO Health app. This makes tracking more organized, more accurate, and much easier to review over time. For users who rely on consistent data to manage diabetes, this kind of integration can be extremely helpful. The testing process itself is designed to be quick and efficient. One of the biggest advantages is that no coding is required, which removes a common step found in older glucose meters. With just a tiny 0.3 blood sample, the device delivers results in around 6 seconds. This speed matters a lot in real-life situations, especially when you need fast readings before meals, after exercise, or during routine monitoring throughout the day. The quicker and simpler the process, the easier it becomes to stay consistent with testing. The kit also includes everything needed to get started right away. Inside the box, you get the glucometer, 25 test strips, 10 lancets, and a lancing device. This makes it a complete starter kit, so users don't need to purchase additional components immediately. The fact that it is FDA cleared adds an extra layer of confidence in its reliability and safety for everyday health monitoring. Another strong advantage is how well the system is optimized for mobility. Because it connects directly to a smartphone, there is no need for batteries or additional displays. This not only reduces clutter, but also makes the device more energy efficient and travel-friendly. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the move, the system is always ready to use as long as your phone is with you. The DARIO Health app itself plays a major role in enhancing the overall experience. It allows users to track and monitor blood sugar levels over time, creating a clear picture of health trends instead of isolated readings. This is especially useful for long-term diabetes management because it helps identify patterns, such as how certain foods, activities, or routines affect glucose levels. Having this data in one place makes it easier to share with healthcare professionals as well. Ease of use is another area where this device performs well. The testing process is straightforward. Insert the strip, use the lancing device, apply a small blood sample, and get results within seconds. Even for users who are not comfortable with medical devices, the learning curve is relatively low. The instructions are clear, and once you've used it a few times, it becomes a simple part of your daily routine. Portability combined with smart tracking makes this device especially useful for people with active lifestyles. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or managing a busy schedule, the ability to carry a full glucose monitoring system in your pocket adds a level of freedom that traditional kits often lack. It reduces the barrier to frequent testing, which is one of the most important aspects of effective diabetes management. Of course, there are a few limitations to be aware of. The device is specifically compatible with iPhones up to iPhone 14 and certain earlier models, so users with newer iPhones may need to check compatibility carefully before purchasing. Additionally, while 25 test strips are included, frequent testers will likely need to restock supplies regularly. This is normal for glucose monitoring systems, but it is still something to consider in terms of ongoing usage costs. Despite these limitations, The overall convenience and smart integration make this a strong option for modern glucose monitoring. It transforms what used to be a purely manual process into something more connected, portable, and data-driven. Instead of relying on handwritten logs or separate devices, everything is centralized in your smartphone, making health tracking more intuitive and accessible. Overall, the DARIO Smart Glucose Monitor Kit is a thoughtfully designed diabetes management tool that focuses on speed, simplicity, and mobility. With fast results, minimal blood sample requirements, smart app integration, and a compact all-in-one design, it offers a practical solution for everyday glucose monitoring. For users who want a modern, portable, and connected way to manage their blood sugar levels, this device provides a reliable and convenient experience that fits seamlessly into daily life.